Hello, good morning, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. We are currently outside. Yes. Haley is throwing all of her water toys into the pool. Yay! Okay, I'll make them swim in a little. But, as you know, as it's been, she decided to pick her own Advent pocket, I don't know, for the day. And today she picked, what did you pick today, Ailey? What did you pick? Did you pick bubbles? Bubbles. Bubbles, you did. So we came outside to just do some bubble outside fun. So let's go.
It was the night before Christmas.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Here we go. We're doing bubbles. Ready? 1, 2, 3. This is not as good as the one we have.
Jingled once more, and then time almost came to
Here we go.
stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you,
Okay, we're getting better.
that everything would change from now on. Yes, from
Maybe I should
this
go over here.
Christmas
The wind is blowing.
on, this Christmas
Haley, come here.
from this Christmas on, it's gonna be
Wow.
you and me decorating the tree
Bubble.
from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on.
Get it! You get it! Ah! Yeah, you got it! You gonna try? Ooh, high five.
From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me.
That's enough bubbles. That is enough bubbles. Oh my god, bubbles everywhere.
From this Christmas
I have to come up with a better bubble system. Look, Ailey, we can use Appa's golf net as a soccer net. Ready? Watch. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Woo! Go! Go! You're just gonna put them all in the water? Okay. You do you, girl. You do you. Whatever makes you happiest. Woohoo! They're swimming! Are they swimming? They're swimming. Okay, came back inside. Ailey was a little upset because she couldn't play with water. So I broke out her Love Everything, which I've actually been waiting like for a moment to bring it out. And this was the moment. So, and if you don't have a play sink for your toddler, I think they love it. I mean, she loves it so far, but you know, who wouldn't? It's like water play and stuff. But this one's cool. This is the Love Everyone, and it turns on and off like, whoop. Can you turn it on? Can you turn it on? On? Here, this one on. Yes, there you go. Good job! Yay! You gonna fill it with water? Yeah, fill it with water. Yes. Fill it with water. Woo. And then, woo! Wow, nice job. Okay, let's try to keep it in the sink though, okay? Try to keep it in the sink. Okay. All right, I need to supervise, but oh boy, there that goes. Okay, okay, bye. Hello. So checking in quite a bit later. It's 5 o'clock. So we had a little bit of a rough afternoon. Ailey didn't want to take a nap. And she finally passed out like right before 3, so I let her sleep for 30 minutes. And then she was very upset, so we needed some time to adjust and, you know, be okay. And then she decided she wanted to continue her water play from this morning. So it's too cold and it's dark out. So we've got our new sensory table filled with water, which I was going to do like a more Christmassy themed version, but she really wants to play with water. So we just brought all the things inside, and it works out anyway because now that it's, you know, almost winter, yeah, now that it's almost winter, yes, Star, good job, Star, yeah, smarty. It works out because, yeah, since it's almost winter anyway, we don't want to keep this stuff outside. And okay, there she goes to the couch. It's fine. You know what? With this stuff, I'm really just, you know, letting it go. It's just water, yeah, it's just water. Hi, boo. Hi, what's in your hair? But yes, so she is occupied with this at the moment, and waiting for, Bernard had to run out. He had to go do something, and we had to figure out, I guess, what we're gonna do for dinner. But for now, this is the sitch, so, okay. What should we make? Yeah, okay, how about this be the structure? Okay, and then I'm gonna start building some walls. How do we feel about that? Is that okay? Yeah? Okay. Is that okay if I build some stuff here? Maybe like, or should I just do like actual walls like this? Can I have some? Thank you. Maybe this. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Wow. What should we do now? Should we go in the middle? Oh, that's good, huh? Yeah, middle. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And then maybe a little more structure to the base, or should we just do, whoop, look at that. Then we can build little houses maybe. That. Ailey, that looks wonderful. Wow. That's beautiful. I love it. That looks great. You are an artiste, an architectural artiste, my love. Yeah. Who's in there? Get him out. Who's in there? Wow, you got your teddy bear. You gonna close the door? Good job. Oh, it's okay. Here. Da-da. And then right there. Good job. What? Oh, this one. Okay. Ta-da. You gonna put him back? Yay! You're so happy. Good job, Boo. High five? I'm not high five. Oh, yeah. No, we're coming down? I thought we were going upstairs. That's why I followed you. Coming back down? Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Hello. For me? You want up? Okay. You want up? Ocha. You want up? Is it because you want to be on camera? Ball. Oh. Thank you. You're so sweet. Thank you. You're the sweetest. You're the sweetest, beautiful baby. Thank you. Got it. Okay, let's go. Kaja. Kaja. You want to walk? Here, let's walk. Okay. Good job. Good job. Good job. There you go. You got it. Good job. Yep. Here we go. One step at a time. Yep. One step at a time. Good job. And we're up. Woohoo! Go, go, Ailey Ranger. Da-na-na-na-na. Go, go, Ailey Ranger. Oh, it's dark. Oh, let there be light. Ding dong. Ding dong, who is it? Ding dong. Hello. Tuk tuk tuk. Hi. Where are you trying to go with your house? She keeps lifting up her house. Where are you trying to go with it? Huh? Oh no. It's okay. Oh, the lamp fell out. Okay. Okay, put it on the bed. There you go. There you go. Cute little nugget. Pizza, 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 pizza. Dinner's here. Dinner's here. I think the black one's yours. Oh yeah, I got Cali chicken bacon ranch something.
Cali chicken bacon ranch something.
And we got stuffed cheesy bread because why not? Bon appetit. Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up, horsey. She's on. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Nowhere to go. Go backwards.
Reverse, reverse. Ah! Reverse. Yeah. Say it again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Say it again. Again. Oh. Papa.
I love you.
Say up and let me touch the back of your head. Say up and let me touch the back of your head. Because the back of your head is ridiculous. Come up here, Ailey. It's easier for... Yeah, there you go. Got that good angle. That good. There you go. There you go. Get it.
Hot stuff.
She said, up, lean back. Okay. Appa, oh, lean forward, Appa. Give her some space. Give her some space. Get it, Ails, get it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Ailey. Ailey, Ailey. Okay, bye. Goodbye, Ailey. Careful, Boo. Yes. Yes. Anyway, I feel like I didn't talk at all on here. Maybe I talked a little bit. I don't know, but it's been a long day, but a good day. Ailey got to do a lot of things. She, even though she didn't take an actual nap, we made the most of it today. Yes. As a side note, she has been hating taking baths lately, like hating, dreading, like screaming bloody murder. Don't know why. I need to come up with like a game plan to figure out how to make that better. I don't know. I don't know if it's like, I don't know. I don't know, Ailey. Yeah, I don't know either. I wish you would tell me. Anyway, we're gonna end it here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Night.